Yo, it's Bam Memo back with media. So in Western science, they teach you about the universe, and they always use gravitational force as a way to explain the universe. But when you actually get down to it, and we call this Black Root science, or we call it ancient Eastern science, where we know that everything comes together through magnetic attraction and repulsion, or in other words, we call it dielectricity, right? So when you're talking about atoms are solar systems from the previous universe. So each solar system has planets around the sun. Each sun has 1 to 100 planets circling around. Some say 94. That makes 100 different kinds of solar systems. So when the first Earth of a new universe is created, the star systems of the previous universe become the atoms of that first Earth. In the previous universe, there are countless trillions of type 1 star systems with one planet, countless trillions of type 2 star systems with 2 planets, countless trillions of type 3 with 3 planets, all the way up to 100 or 94 if you're talking about Western science. So this is also in tune with the elements, because there's not 94 to 100 elements, right? But they say that there's more, but that's man-made. So the first law of magnetic attraction attracts the star system of the same type to each other, type 1 to type 1, type 2 to type 2. So toward the end of the universe, the star systems actually move through space over a period of trillions of years until they find each other and group together in clusters. These, with one planet, form clusters that are described by modern scientists as having a nucleus, an electron, and the sun, which is the single planet. So when trillions of these star systems cluster together, they form a natural element called hydrogen, right? Gas made of star systems from the previous universe. All have one planet circling the sun. So what is gold? Western science says gold is made of metal made of atoms that have 79 electrons orbiting the nucleus. Black Root science says metal made of star systems that from the previous universe with 79 planets circling the sun. So how are star systems brought together? By the first law of magnetic attraction. First law, it brings together all star systems that are alike, causing them to find each other. So the question is, which cluster of star systems will have stronger magnetic bonds? The ones with one planet or 100 planets? Those with 100 planets have more magnetic bonds, so they will be held together by a stronger magnetic attraction. So they also will be packed closer together and much more dense. So iron, gold, and other heavy metals will sink into the new Earth being formed, while hydrogen, oxygen, and other gas will float to the top, forming water in the atmosphere. Gases are much lighter and loosely bonded, while the metals are tightly bonded with more planets. This